unfinished house tour. So come in. Well, we have this hallway bit here with this bricked grey wall, and if you come this way, we will be going into my mum and dad's bedroom. Now it does need a good clean, but here's the nice bedroom. I think they will have a nice bed here, got a lovely window. And how about you come and see their cupboard where they're going to put all their clothes. It is massive. See, they will need to go to the shops and get some more clothes. How nice. Well, come and follow me back out to the cupboard, into the bathroom. Now they've got some gorgeous mirrors and some sinks, and they've got a very nice shower. It's beautiful. And if you come this way, we have the toilet. So if you need to do your business, go for it. Now let's get out of the bathroom and walk out of mum and dad's room. We'll be going back to the hallway where you can turn this way, and we have where we put all our junk and our bags and shoes. And if you go this way, we have the garage where you can only have a second look because it's pretty messy. Come back out to the hallway. Follow me to the kitchen. Now we have this nice beautiful bench here and these lovely hanging lights. And over here we have a very nice sink where you do, you wash everything and that. If you come over here, we have a lovely oven and some lovely cupboards and drawers. And if you come into here, it's the pantry, the best bit where the food's going to be. Oh, look at this. You can put yummy food there. It can be a bit organised. It's gorgeous. Now if we come back out again, we're still in the kitchen, but we can do a very nice lounge room over here. So we'll have a kitchen table somewhere around here and a lounge room here with a TV on the wall, some couch, and we've also got a lovely fireplace going here. So just imagine this big square fireplace, so when it's cold. Come back down to the hallway over here. So these doors can shut and they can also open. We have these shelves where we can put all our junk and everything. We have a lounge room. So you can put a couch and a TV and you can look out to the nice backyard out there. And if you come in here, you can have a look at the study. So there's going to be a big desk along this wall. And then this is the cool bit where we are going to pull out a bed and make it like a spare bedroom, and you can pull it back up again. And if you come back out here to the windows again, out to the backyard, outside area, go back out to the hallway. What way would we like to go first? Maybe we'll go this way. Now in here, we have my room. And let me find the light switch. So I am going to have a very nice bed here. And I'm thinking about putting my TV here. And I think I'm going to buy a swing chair, what I'll probably put somewhere around here. And if you come into the best bit, we've got a door. But what's behind the door? A walk-in robe where you can play hide and seek, and you can hide here. with the clothes. But yeah, it's lovely. Now if you come back out again, we have Clay's. Now Clay's is pretty similar to mine. It's a bedroom with a bed, and she's also got a little walk-in robe in here. And if you come back out to Clay's, this bit gets really cool, right? We have a laundry. Now we've got the sink, and we also have a drying cupboard, what is Mum's favourite. She's always wanted one. And we have a mop room. And if you come back out to laundry, we have a lovely toilet. What even has toilet paper? And we also have a sink. So if guests come, they don't really have to use the bathroom. They can just use the toilet and the sink. And if you come this way, we have the bathroom. Oops, I turned the fan on. We have the bath, so you can have a nice little bath and wash yourself. We also have our sink and our lovely cupboard area. And over here, we have our shower again. But it's similar to the other one. And then if you come back out to the bathroom, you can either go this way or this way, but we're going this way today. It's like a maze. We have Reese's bedroom. Everybody wanted this room at the house. I don't know why, we just all wanted it. So Reese will have his bedroom, the same deal. He has a lovely walk-in robe. And that actually includes the house tour. We will show you when it's all finished and furnished. Thanks for watching. Bye.